everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'll be showing you how to add MP2 funds using Virtual PAG-IBIG. So stay tuned. In the Virtual PAG-IBIG website, click Login, Continue, input your login details, and click Login. Punta tayo dito sa MP2 Savings. Here, you'll see your MP2 accounts. So, in order to fund your account, dito tayo sa Payments, Pay Online, MP2 Savings. Okay, by default, program type is MP2 Savings. Pick a memberships category, kung local ba or overseas. Payment method, so you can pay via credit or debit card and Maya or GCash.
On this case, I'm going to pay via BPI online.
So, wala kayong makikitang bank transfer dito, but select Maya or GCash. Input your MP2 savings account number. Makikita nyo yan dito. So, what I do is open this in a new tab, copy my account number, kung saan ko gusto mag-deposit, paste, and then click verify. So, lalabas dito yung member's name, then the amount you'd like to transfer, period covered from, which is itong month na to, period covered duration, 1 month, period covered to January 2026, and then by default, convenience fee will be filled up. Click next, your billing address. Input nyo lang. If you have a billing address line 2, kung wala naman, just put in your city, zip code, country, your mobile number, and then email address. Then the CAPTCHA code. Agree to the terms and conditions, click next, and verify all your details, confirm, and here you go. So, since from BPI ako magbabayad, I will choose QRPH. Click QRPH, and using your BPI app, scan this QR code. So, on the BPI app, click nyo lang tong QR code sa baba, and then scan the code. And select which account your money will be transferred from. Click continue, then click confirm. And ayan, successful yung pagbayad natin. Now, go back to Virtual PAG-IBIG and makikita nyo to. Payment successful. You can receive your receipts via email too. After around 3 business days, makikita nyo dito sa Virtual PAG-IBIG na nag-reflect na yung payment nyo. My transaction was placed on January 6 and na-credit siya on my account on January 11. So, you need to wait at least 3 business days. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos we release. Thank you guys. Bye!